changing the cabin air filter in your MK6 GTI. Let's go. So as you can see, someone's been here before us already, but to get it off, there's a little plastic screw, just a finger screw like that. Just unscrew that. So after you've undone that, this comes down. It's got a slide set up. So it slides off like that. As you can see, there's some clips on the side. Ugh. That one could probably do with replacement, looking at this. Out with the old, in with the new. So there should only be one way that this can go in. Basically slide it up into place. There we go. If you want to see more content like this for the MK6 GTI and even MK5, make sure to give us a like, drop down a comment on what you'd like to see, and make sure to subscribe as well. Thanks, guys.